Welcome to the Urban Wildlife Quest, a thrilling adventure that takes you on a journey to discover the wonders of nature that exist within the bustling cityscape. While cities are often associated with concrete buildings and busy streets, they are also home to an incredible variety of wildlife. From birds soaring through the skies to squirrels darting through parks, there is a surprising amount of biodiversity to explore. So grab your binoculars and let's embark on a quest to seek nature in the city. 1. Research and preparation. Before you set out on your urban wildlife quest, it's essential to do some research and preparation. Start by familiarizing yourself with the local flora and fauna that can be found in your city. Many cities have specific websites, guidebooks, or even local nature centers that provide information on urban wildlife. Learn about the types of birds, mammals, reptiles, and insects that are commonly seen in your area. Find out which parks, green spaces, and water bodies are known to attract wildlife. Also, consider the best times of day or seasons when certain animals are most active. 2. Choose your wildlife hotspots. Once you have gathered information about the local wildlife, select a few key areas within the city that you'd like to explore. Urban parks, botanical gardens, riversides, and nature reserves are often great places to start. These areas tend to provide a more natural habitat for wildlife, offering food, water, and shelter. 3. Equip yourself. To make the most of your urban wildlife quest, be sure to equip yourself with the right gear. Here are some essentials. Binoculars. A good pair of binoculars will help you observe birds and other wildlife from a distance. Field guide. Carry a field guide or use a mobile app that can help you identify different species of birds, mammals, and other creatures you might encounter. Camera. Capture your wildlife sightings with a camera or smartphone. It's a great way to share your experiences and document your discoveries. Comfortable clothing. Dress appropriately for the weather and wear comfortable footwear for walking or hiking in the urban environment. Snacks and water. Stay hydrated and bring some energy-boosting snacks to keep yourself fueled during your quest. 4. Observing wildlife. As you venture into the city, keep your senses sharp and be patient. Wildlife may be more elusive in an urban setting, so it's important to be observant. Here are some tips for observing urban wildlife. Move quietly and slowly to avoid startling animals. Listen for bird songs, rustling leaves, or other sounds that indicate the presence of wildlife. Look for signs such as nests, burrows, tracks, or droppings that can give you clues about the animals in the area. Be respectful and maintain a safe distance from the animals. Remember, they are wild creatures and should not be approached or touched. 5. Documenting and sharing. As you encounter different species and observe their behavior, take notes and photographs to document your findings. You can maintain a journal or create a digital record of your urban wildlife sightings. Share your experiences with others who might be interested in urban wildlife, whether it's through social media, local nature groups, or online platforms. 6. Get involved. Your urban wildlife quest doesn't have to end with your personal exploration. Consider getting involved in local conservation efforts or citizen science projects. Many cities have initiatives aimed at protecting and preserving urban wildlife habitats. By participating, you can contribute to scientific research and help make your city a better place for both humans and wildlife. Conclusion. The Urban Wildlife Quest allows you to see the hidden beauty of nature that exists within the urban jungle. By researching, exploring wildlife hotspots, equipping yourself with the right gear, observing wildlife, documenting your findings, and getting involved, you can embark on an exciting adventure and make meaningful connections with the natural world in the midst of the city. So step out into the urban wilderness and let the quest begin.